Pecan glaze. Melt butter and brown sugar in a saucepan. Whisk in heavy cream, corn syrup, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and chopped pecans. Combine the ingredients for the bread and 2 packets of Fleischmann's Rapid Rise yeast. Heat half a cup each of water and milk and 5 tablespoons of sugar until very warm. Then stir into the flour mixture, along with 2 eggs to make a soft dough. Divide into balls and lay the pecan glaze in a buttered tube pan. Cover and let it rise about 45 minutes, or even up to a day in the fridge. Bake at 375 for 45 minutes. Invert onto a plate and serve warm. A sweet weekend treat that'll bring your family running. That's Cooking with Grace. For this recipe and more, go to bakingchanneltv.com/baking.
As Strongbow hard cider, better. But Strongbow over ice, best. Enjoy Strongbow over ice with your slow motion horse. Bestest. Strongbow, world's #1 hard cider.
This season, celebrate what's new. Bigger, better menu at Red Lobster with more of what you love. Try our newest wood grill combination, Maine lobster, extra jumbo shrimp, and salmon. So hurry in and see food differently.